Hey guys, this is CRO Insights episode number 93, and I have some super cool content for you today. This is a massive transformation. We haven't just transformed the before and after design, making it higher converting. We've also changed the way that we approach the customer from a cold click into the funnel. So as you can see before, these guys, they shoved everyone into the same bucket. They just took everyone and assumed that everyone was the same and pushed them down the same funnel. We opted to change the whole approach and to send the people through a quiz. We found this worked very well for brands like dog brands, for beauty brands, basically any company that has a different outcome based on the customer persona or the customers entering that funnel. Now we know that there's so many different types of dogs, dog breeds, what dogs can eat, how active they are, how old they are. So it really pays dividends here to take someone through a if conditional type quiz funnel, so it feels more personalized, it feels more special, and it feels more one-to-one with that particular dog owner and their dog. Hence why we opted for the quiz. Now you can see the design's completely changed. We've added a nice trust policy bar that helps us instantly gain trust with our customers. That's supported by that social proof that was completely missing from the before design. We've got these benefit-driven bullet points, this nice call to action that's big, it's full width, it's contrasting color, it's got a directional cue, and it's taking people through into that quiz funnel. We then support it with the nice images, great picture here of a dog and the cool products that you get. But most importantly, here's the lesson that not everyone is the same when they come on your landing page. We don't know if they're problem aware, we don't know what type of animal they have, what problems their animal has, and what they're looking from a specific product like this. Therefore, if we take them through a quiz and give them a more personalized experience, which we do with a lot of our dog brands, it's going to convert a lot better. Speaking of conversions, if you want to convert more clicks into customers, that's exactly what we do. That's what we've done for this customer. That's what we've done for the last 12 years. There is a link in the description below that's going to get you a free discovery call with my team. It's completely free. We get to the point, we understand you and your brand, and we tell you how we feel we could help you take your brand to the next level with conversion rate optimization. I'm Kenyon. Join me in the next video.